Hello people and welcome back to Car on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the best road moments caught on driver's dashcam, from close calls to road rage and many more. Of course, this episode is full of epic moments and hopefully you'll enjoy watching. Without any further ado, let's get these clips rolling.
So Florida is really blessed with natural infrastructure. So for example,
Pay attention at the driver in a white truck to the far left. He pulled out onto the road way too slow and too late. Because of that move, the driver that was behind him ended up on the wrong side of the road, causing a head-on collision. In this situation, camera caught a crash aftermath on his dashcam. Van driver was flipped on its side and the damage done to the vehicles was enormous. Let's just hope that the participants in this accident were not injured. Driver caused a head-on collision, but that's not the craziest part. He got out of his car and started running on foot. The cops saw it all and they gave also chase. Check out this crazy footage. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Car on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something from this one. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, because that would really help. Pay close attention at the driver in a blue car here at the intersection. The driver got too impatient, and his impatience made him do a beginner's mistake as he pulled out onto the road way too soon. In this video, we will see how a reckless driver made a left turn and took the cameras right away. Unfortunately, he caused an accident as well. Make sure to adjust your speed to the road conditions. In other words, if the road is wet, take it easy on your gas pedal. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Core on Dashcam channel. I hope you took notes and learned a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. After all, this channel is supposed to give you an insight on how to drive and what to avoid while being a part of traffic. Make sure to leave a like because that will help this channel grow. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe and stay safe.